Mastering Communication, Sending Emails and Text Messages with Python. Welcome to our tutorial on mastering the art of digital communication using Python. Today, we're diving into how you can send emails and text messages effortlessly. Get ready to automate your notifications and messages like a pro. First, let's tackle sending emails. We'll use the SMTP lib library, which is built into Python. This library defines an SMTP client session object that can be used to send mail to any internet machine. Remember to replace mailtoyourmail@gmail.com, your password, and mailtorecipientmail@gmail.com with your actual email details. Never share your plain text passwords. Consider using environment variables or encryption for better security. Now, let's shift gears to sending text messages. We'll use the Twilio library. Twilio is a service that allows you to send SMS and MMS messages programmatically from Python. Replace your account SID, your auth token, and your Twilio number with your actual Twilio account details. And +1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 with the recipient's phone number. And there you have it. Whether it's sending a quick update or automating regular notifications, Python makes it simple and efficient. Experiment with these scripts, and integrate them into your projects. Happy coding!